Hello, thanks for taking the time to review our presentation covering Data Vista's capabilities and services. In 2014, we will celebrate the 20th year of operation. Data Vista started as a third-party maintenance service covering a single vendor product, Pyramid Unix-based servers, for 4 models. Today, Data Vista services about 70 vendors, approximately 1,000 models, supporting multiple operating systems, and provides full IT lifecycle support for servers, storage equipment, and communication devices. Our primary focus remains as a data center-orientated company, addressing the requirements of large and mid-size enterprise accounts with mission-critical, business-critical, test, and development environments. We service multi-technology and multi-vendor environments. Data Vista is headquartered in New Jersey, about 20 miles north of Philadelphia, and 70 miles south of New York City. The New Jersey location serves as corporate administration headquarters, main call center, parts warehouse, lab, and testing facility. Data Vista has several other call centers, numerous parts locations, and a nationwide field service organization. We have professional associations with the Service Industry Association, ASCDI, Institute of Asset Management, Infragard, and ISACA. Data Vista supports corporate citizen, sustainability, and environmental standards for IT asset disposition, ITAD, and data destruction through industry certifications for ISO 14001, Responsible Recycling R2, and OSHA's 18001 certificate for OSHA. Data Vista sells, services, or has service affiliations with a wide variety of products from most first, second, and some third-tier vendors to include the following organizations: Oracle, HP, IBM, Dell, Fujitsu, NCR, Brocade, Cisco, EMC, NetApp, Quantum, and others. Many of our customers are Fortune 500 type accounts in most vertical markets. The products we sell and the services we provide are utilized in many IT infrastructure environments for a wide variety of applications. Data Vista has a nationwide service base, covering most major cities and many smaller metro areas. Data Vista provides 24/7 by 365 access to customer support. We can seamlessly address many types of customer requirements, regardless of the location, and be the single point of contact. We provide international services through a network of partners to include the EMEA region, APAC, Australia, and South America. As noted at the start of this presentation, Data Vista is an IT technology lifecycle company. The concept of lifecycle support is to continually offer services from initial product acquisition to IT asset disposition, ITAD, and all activities in between. By providing continuing service and support, customers can realize value in their technology investment, preserve that investment, minimize risk, provide flexibility of when to move to newer technology, and be able to meet service level demands by the business and IT stakeholders. The stages of IT lifecycle support include the following: asset acquisition, deployment, maintain, asset administration, data destruction, equipment disposal. The IT lifecycle begins with the initial purchase or lease of IT hardware or software. Data Vista is an authorized reseller of most major vendors for servers, storage, and communications hardware products. Data Vista will work with end user to define their requirements for criteria such as reliability, usability, efficiency, supportability, portability. Data Vista provides and supports procurement fulfillment tracking, reporting, and management processes. After purchase or lease of products, Data Vista offers deployment services that can eliminate the customer's need to hire personnel so they can focus on their core competencies, minimizing risk associated with new products or markets. We can provide deployment services for warehousing of products, staging before shipping, installation, project planning and scheduling, project management, implementation, and process project improvement follow-up. Our core competency remains in providing hardware maintenance services. We start with defining the nature of the problem, identifying possible sources of the problem, troubleshooting if the issue is related to hardware or software, diagnosing to a specific probable resolution, and then proceeding to implement the remediation activity. Throughout the problem framework, we're always cognizant of the customer's service level agreements so as to ensure Data Vista meets those critical timeframe requirements and applies the appropriate service plan. We offer flexible service programs to meet budget restraints and any type of support program for full support, remote support, parts-only support, depot support, or time and material service. To further enhance Data Vista's maintenance service, Data Vista provides operating system software support to advise, download, prepare CD, and install software updates when software updates are available. Data Vista offers 24/7/365 call center availability through a toll-free number, email, or file transfer protocol, FTP communication. We usually provide parts on or near site, have a system for parts replenishment, an escalation process to ensure timely response, and metrics tracking to validate conformance for service delivery. Beyond asset acquisition, deployment, and maintenance, Data Vista offers asset administration services to upgrade, deinstall, install, locate, relocate, inventory, floor grid, determine operation status, power cycle, and similar type of activities. There may come a time when the asset is to be retired, repurposed, or returned to a leasing company. At that time, for security reasons, all data must be removed from the disk, tape, or other storage media before the asset can be moved to its next disposition. In such instances, Data Vista provides services to eradicate data from the media through several data destruction processes. Data can be eradicated through a software-based sanitation process that removes the data but allows the disk drive to be reused. Degaussing via a large magnet destroys data on a disk drive without any possibility of data ever being recovered or being able to reuse the disk drive. Shredding completely destroys data and the media. Data Vista provides these services on-site or offers off-site service through a secure chain of custody process. A certificate of data destruction is provided to attest that the data has been eradicated without any possibility of recovery. Data Vista complies with private sector data destruction standards, government regulations, and will comply with corporate security policies. Finally, at the end of the IT asset lifecycle, the asset is to be disposed. However, in keeping with environmental policies and in support of sustainability goals, Data Vista ensures that no to minimal landfills will be utilized, and whenever possible, parts or materials will be recycled. Reusable equipment is tested for key functions in accordance with the R2 2013 standard. Reused and remarketed equipment is shipped with a warranty and practical return policy. To meet these goals, Data Vista is certified for responsible recycling, R2, and ISO 14001 standards to meet sustainability environmental requirements. We also meet New Jersey-based requirements for waste handling. As noted previously, Data Vista meets customers' corporate requirements for being a good corporate citizen, as well as our own company philosophy for environmental and social concerns. We follow the Electronics Industry Code of Conduct for policies related to environment, ethics, health and safety, labor, and management systems. Data Vista provides assurances that any data we maintain for customers will be secure, properly backed up in the event of a disaster, and can be restored for business continuity. Data Vista provides insurance coverage for its service personnel to meet customer liability requirements.